Okay, so basically, we decided that after our first competition, we needed to replace the arm mechanism with something better to make sure to give us capability to score algae. And currently, we're working on it. It's going okay. We might. It's going okay. It's gonna succeed.
Hi, it's Henry. Back with another week of vlog. So today we are implementing the redesign of the arm that we've been working for the past week on, and after implementing it, it kind of doesn't work, and hopefully that's just solved by motor magic and code stuff, but also it might not work because of physics. So that's cool. Last weekend I was at competition and I was the human player, and that was really fun, and I think I got a lot better as competition progressed, and our team did well, so I'm looking forward to the next competition.
Okay, so welcome back from Mount Olive. Mount Olive was crazy. For our whole first half of quals, we did not have a single match where we had 2 alliance partners, which was super fun. You can see from my eagle-eyed live stream viewers me standing alone behind the glass looking quite sad. But after that, it got way better, and I believe we were seeded 12th after qualification. I think, according to the Blue Alliance, we were 9th at the end, so I don't really know what happened there. I think we were 9th. We went to playoffs. We did not win any of them, but we were there, and we were so silly about it, and that's what matters.
Hi vlog! So we got back from Mount Olive. We lost 0 people on the bus. Everyone is accounted for. We made so many friends with other teams. It was a great event. Thank you to Mount Olive. We had a lot of fun, even though we didn't win any playoffs, but we ranked 9th. So, yeah. And our robot is currently under repairs for Warren Hills. Watch us on the live stream there. We are going to be ranked first. Peace out, Danica.
Electronics is cooked right now. We fixed things, added another limelight, which code wants. They don't tell me why. The hand doesn't work anymore. Build broke it. CAD broke it. CAD and build don't line up anymore. CAD says it works, build says it doesn't. Yeah, it's not working. But new limelight, and our energy chain has a motor hitting it really hard, so we have to move it. But then no one's going tomorrow, so Taiki's doing it alone. We're very cooked right now. But we have nothing to do either, because code doesn't let us near the robot anymore.
Yeah, we don't like code.
Yeah.
What were you talking about?
How we don't like code.
Oh yeah, no, we don't like code.
Yeah.
Shaw said the judges said that it looked very gorgeous and electronics gorgeous and what's it called? Engineering binder gorgeous, but they said code on the other hand, according to a judge.
I was already eating good shit, my bad. They're free snacks. They weren't free, but I waited till they weren't charging anymore. Now they're free. Four brownies, 1 bag of chips. Still going. Some more to go around. Rhubarb pie. I don't know what rhubarb is, but we're gonna find out. Alright, that's about it.
Yeah, competition was this weekend, and it was super fun. A lot of stuff happened there. Yeah, really tiring. We needed a lot of energy to keep going. Lots of long days, lots of scouting. I love scouting so much. But yeah, lots of fun cheering. I lost my voice for like 3 days afterwards. On that last Sunday, I literally couldn't talk. And then I had Socratic seminar on Monday, and it was the worst thing I've ever done in my life. But yeah, competition was fun. And now we're here, fixing the robot, changing little things, improving it before Warren Hills.
It's me again. Had such a fun time at competition. I do miss being team photographer. It's kind of like being Batman. You know, you wear dark colors, you sort of hide under stuff. Everyone thinks you're cool even though you do nothing. It's a really fun job, but I still had to post something on the Instagram, right? Because, you know, one woman media team, I had to find something to put on the Instagram. And so just my luck, my father appeared with his expensive camera and many years of photography experience. So, like, business is doing kind of okay. Business is doing okay. I gave people cameras, but all of the pictures came out blurry, which I think was the camera's fault. I assume it was the camera's fault, but also maybe that was my bad. But I guess we'll find out. I was really happy that none of the other drive coaches were upset that I wasn't Danica. Everyone loves Danica. Danica is also on the floor. And yeah, I was worried that I'd be walking up to other drive teams and they'd be like, "Oh, you're not Danica. I won't talk to you." But that didn't happen. They were all really nice to me. So shout out to you guys. Really hope we make Lehigh so that I can talk to all the grown adult drive coaches. Yeah, it's yay. Max, do you want to be in the vlog?
Max, how much weight?
Here, I can get up and interview Max.
So I really don't have time right now. We gotta make sure we have all this stuff for the weekend.
Okay.
Maybe the end.
Okay. Who's going to tell us about the redesign? I don't know what the redesign is happening. There is a redesign, I think. Sometimes there's cheering and sometimes there's booing and it just like blurs together.
Hi again. You know you missed me. So yeah, we had a redesign. We decided to take the chain off of the arm because if that chain ever broke, we were never getting it back together, which was kind of a big risk to be taking every competition. So we have now kind of like this metal bar arm thing going on. Last I heard, we did not have enough torque to actually move it, so worst case scenario, we go back to the old one, which is fine. We also had to redo some electronic stuff. I think we're adding a new camera, question mark. We're also giving our driver a webcam, so he should be able to line up to the cage more easily. And we changed the cage alignment system so that it was easier to use. And we are super excited for Warren Hills, I think. And a lot of people have not turned in their forms yet. So if you're watching this and you haven't turned in your permission slip, I'm watching you. Bye, vlog.